In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do team communication in Monday.com. Efficient communication is the cornerstone of any successful team, and I'm excited to show you how easy it is to do this on the Monday.com platform. Let's start right at the beginning. You want to kick things off by heading over to Monday.com using your favorite web browser. Once you're there, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click it to proceed with your login process. Next, you'll be greeted with various login options. Here, you're going to want to click on the Google icon. This will take you to a prompt to select your Google account, which makes accessing your Monday.com account quick and secure if you've linked it previously. After logging in, it's time to navigate to your workspace. At Monday.com, everything revolves around your boards, so find your board and click onto it. This is essentially your team's project headquarters, where you coordinate tasks and communicate with your teammates. Up next, to initiate a conversation, look towards the top right corner of your board page. You'll see a speech bubble icon right there. Go ahead and click on it. This icon opens up a communication window almost like a chat interface, allowing you to send messages to your team. Now, let's compose a message. In the chat window that opens, you have the opportunity to type out your message tailored to your team's current project, update, or inquiry. A great feature here is the ability to mention specific team members. By typing the @ symbol followed by their name, you can directly notify your colleagues or assign tasks to them within the message. This can be particularly useful for ensuring that important updates reach the right people promptly and without any confusion. Once your message is all set and you've mentioned everyone necessary, it's time to send it off simply by clicking on the Update button. Your message will be posted instantly, and the mentioned team members will receive a notification. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to enhance your team's communication using Monday.com. Utilizing these tools ensures that everyone stays informed and tasks are completed efficiently. As always, practice these steps to get comfortable with navigating the platform because, over time, these small steps in communication efficiency can significantly improve your team's overall productivity. I hope you find this guide helpful, and if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to look for more tips and tricks on our channel. Thanks for watching, and happy communicating.